In this video, we will do a review of the Rosabella Organic Beetroot Capsules. So you can find it by going to Amazon, and this is what it looks like. It's typically 100 or 1100 mg beetroot powder, and it's advertised to aid with healthy circulation and vitality. So if you're wondering if it actually works, studies show that beetroot, which is the main ingredients of this, contains nitrates that are converted into nitric oxide, which is a compound that helps dilate blood vessels. With this, it can support healthy blood pressure levels and improve blood circulation, which can benefit heart health and natural energy. Its dosage of 1,300 milligrams is common and effective way to get these benefits without the mess of juice. Though some scientific evidence suggests direct consumption of beet juice may offer faster or more profound effects in some cases. So it has nitrates and nitric oxide. Its vasodilation helps relax and dilate blood vessels, which can improve the blood flow and support healthy blood pressure levels. It also has antioxidant benefits. It's convenient and easy with natural energy and supports exercise performance with clean ingredients. So this one is actually a check. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.